Now let's read decimal numbers here. So how do we read decimal numbers? Well, first we start off by stating the whole, then decimal point, followed by the remainder of the number on the right side of the number. So reading and writing decimal numbers. Let's give you an example here. We have 25.25 decimal point 03. Perfect. So here we're going to start off with the whole value, which is 25. It's on the left side of the decimal point. 25. Notice the hyphen in between the words 20 and 5. All right. Next, we're going to acknowledge the decimal point by writing and, A-N-D. Okay. And now we're just going to evaluate the right side. So on the farthest place value to the right, we notice that there's a 3, and the 3 is occupying the hundredths place value. So when we write it, we're going to write 3 hundredths. Now we pile it up together. We have 25 and 3 hundredths. Next example here. We're going to go negative on this one. We're not going to place any whole value. We're going to state 0.7651. Notice the negative here immediately. So that's going to start off our reading and writing there. All right. And notice on the right side here, we have a 1 farthest to the right. So this 1 here occupies the 10,000ths place value. So when we read and write it out, we're going to end with 10,000ths. Okay. We have here a decimal point. Friendly reminder that the decimal point is going to convert itself to an and, A-N-D. On the left side of the decimal point, we have a 0. There's no value, so we don't have to acknowledge it in our word form, in our word formation. So after negative, we're going to go directly to the 7. And we're going to read and write the decimal as is. So we're going to start with the 7 here. Negative 7,000. Let's give it a moment here. Give me a moment. Let's remove this. Negative 7,651 10,000ths. Okay. Notice that I put a hyphen in between the words 50 and 1. And notice how I put the hyphen between the word 10 and thousands. Let's say it one more time. Negative 7,651 10,000ths.